What's up, YouTube fam? I'm back again with another video going over some of the trade setups that has actually popped off this week. So, going to give you some insight on what to expect for the rest of the week. I know it's Thanksgiving. As always, make sure you like, share, comment below. Share this with a friend, tell a friend to tell a friend. All right. And we have the open public community Telegram link in the description box. So if you want to join, you can join that. And then the private community, just shoot me an email, guys, and I'll walk you through the steps on how to get access to that. But yeah, so far, start this week off. It's been amazing. JPYs have shown absolute love. And of course, I'm going to talk a little bit about crypto, right? Because that's the talk of town. Pulling back right now, but just a pullback, setting up for another bull run. But yeah, let's start with the JPY first. These JPYs have been smooth to start the week. Let's start with UJ. So we took this UJ trade. And again, guys, if you haven't watched the last couple of my videos, please do. Okay. I don't use an advanced strategy here, nothing complex, mostly price action, just a great understanding of simplicity, right? Keeping it as simple as possible, but most importantly, your risk to reward. All right. I've said that over the last couple of videos, guys. Your risk to reward when it comes to trading is everything. It's actually more important than the strategy itself, because if you don't understand your risk to reward when trading, it doesn't matter about the strategy. It doesn't matter how you're going to be profitable. All right. It's the same like your finances. If you don't have goals, if you don't know how to budget, save, it doesn't matter. Somebody can give you $10 million, $100 million. You don't know how to manage your funds. That's why most people are never able to reach financial freedom. All right. A lot of these people that are successful, that are rich, and I'm not talking about the ultra rich. I'm not talking about like Bill Gates, Warren Buffett. I'm just talking about like enough money to live comfortably. Those people, they have a good understanding of their finances. You'd be surprised. Most people, they don't know what they're spending on a day-to-day basis. They can't believe the stuff they're buying. They just, over leverage, paycheck to paycheck, credit card to credit card. Can't live like that and then expect to be a millionaire, successful. Nope, it's not going to happen. So trading is the same way. If you don't understand before you hit that buy or sell, your risk to reward, how much are you risking? So you're okay losing 20 pips, 3%, 5%, total of, 100, 200 bucks, depending on your account size, right? If you don't understand these things, how do you expect to be a profitable trader? You can watch my video. You can watch everybody who teaches all these dope strategies. It won't matter. So understand this, guys. Risk management is everything. All right. So boom, UJ. Again, JPYs has just been absolutely wonderful. Matter of fact, let's take a look at the JPY currency index. Right. It's just, we knew this based off the daily. Right. So this is similar to the DXY. Right. Rally to the upside, retested. Obviously didn't break this low. It actually came right into this POI right here, perfectly bounced. And when you see price, especially on the higher time frame, daily, weekly, monthly, all right, this is your time to now go down to like a 4 hour, 1 hour, and you want to watch how price moves, right? You want to watch how price moves inside that zone. Okay, so pretty much got our change of character. Right? Breakout, change of character. There we go. That was your breakout, change of character. This leg pulling back, that was your retest because it did not break this low. And there's your buy, right? Again, what's the key? Once price is retesting, I'm looking for a bullish candle to close above a bearish. So I actually had it right here. So after, let's say I was on this 4 hour, so whatever time frame you happen to be on, so this 4 hour, after this close, I get in on the next 4 hour candle. And then there's your buy. I'm looking for price to break this high to continue uptrend. So now perfect, just like on a downtrend, right? Every break, you're looking for a retest. Every break, you're looking for a retest. So every break, you're looking for a retest, and then a continuation. A break, retest, and then a continuation, so on and so forth. So I'm expecting more of a continuation on JPY up to 769, all the way back up to 787. We just broke here today, which is perfect. So now I want to see a retest, right? That was the break. Come down here on this 1 hour. Actually, this break right here, perfect. And this is the zone I want to see price pull back into, right? So again, kind of like here, see how this breaks, pull back every time it breaks, every time price breaks. See how it pulls back, it breaks, it pulls back, right? So break, pull back, continuation. All right. So boom, JPY is all running beautifully. So it came down. Now I'm looking, it broke here, which is good, but I'm looking for it to crack this low, right? So we can continue down to 158 range. So I'm on the 4 hour. I want to make my way down. Let's go to the 1 hour. Perfect. Let's see more information. Go down to the 15-minute. So I pretty much just want this. I want that. I want that. As long as I get that within the next several hours, I'm looking for another sell. Right? Let this pull back. See how it pulled back? Let it pull back. Then not break above this high, and then wait for bearish activity to take over. Jump into trade, use proper risks, and there's your sell-off. And because the JPYs have been moving so aggressively, right, you can catch real quick, easy 100 pip moves. See 100 pips, 100 pips, 100 pips, boom. So we're looking for a correction and then a continuation, right? And that's what's been going on all the JPYs. So to start the week off, us in the community, right, I always got to show off the community. I love showing off their success. It's easy to show off my success. Of course, you know, I drop it in the Telegram. I'll let you guys know, hey, I'm doing great on my crypto. I'm doing great on withdrawing. But I love seeing others win, right? So if we go over here, these guys are just absolutely killing it too, right? Shout out to my boy Daniel. Daniel's just killing it. Daniel's just killing it. Caught this New Zealand JPY. I didn't, but that was a good catch. All the JPYs were doing it. So again, see, even my students understand. So he identified a daily supply zone. So that's a strong level. Perfect. Right here. Right? Got change of character. Break. And then you see the retest, pull back. And then he understood his risk to reward. Perfect. And then look at that sell-off. Essentially over 200 pips. And every break, retest. Every break, now you're looking for another retest and another sell-off. All right. Absolutely beautiful trade. Shout out to Daniel. Good job. Just absolutely killing it. And this is why you want to be a part of a community like this, because you get to just bounce notes, ideas, talk to like-minded individuals who are just plugged in, right? Another one of Daniel's trades. So he caught New Zealand and he caught GJ, right? So same thing. Broke, perfect, rallied back up, right? And then continuation down. Just absolutely phenomenal trading. Right? Most of us are pretty much done for the week. NEMSA over here, same thing. All right. So these are the things that we teach inside and we show you. As you guys know, I mean, at the end of the day, I give the game for free. If you watch enough of my videos, put it together, the game's right there. And I'm not charging a monthly subscription. I'm not asking you to pay me a one-time big fee, but access to a community with like-minded individuals. That's priceless. That's the real value. So yeah, we just absolutely killed it on all these JPYs. Just absolutely killed it, right? See, we took all these sells on Monday, just killed it. And I didn't take the New Zealand, but CAD JPY was absolutely beautiful. All right. So what I'm really interested in is gold. So I'm going to be dropping these short videos doing like trades to watch out for and just quick videos to upload and tell you guys what I'm focused on. I think I'm going to do that. I'm going to really focus that, especially in 2025. So we got this gold setup, right? Rallying to the downside. Last week, price peaked all the way up, right? Start the week, boom, broke down. So now what I want to see is I want to see a beautiful correction, which it's doing right now. I would love to see it pull back. Do that. And then move to the downside. 2570 is what I'm targeting. All right. 2570 is what I'm targeting. So if I was you guys, and if you're watching this, I would put an alert. Boom. And look at that. You're looking for a nice correction, like a correction like this to set up the downtrend. All right. Matter of fact, let me get bars pattern. So I want to see something like this. Right. I want to see something like this. Boom. Pull back. And I'm looking for a sell right around here. Right. Watch the sell here. And there's my short opportunity. This should play out wonderfully. All right. So as you can see, I have an alert. As soon as price touch it around 26.59, and then I'll be looking for bearish activity and riding this down. This will probably be my last trade of the week. I'm very, very interested in this. And also silver. Obviously, silver moves a little bit slower, but boom. Actually, it looks like silver already kind of on the move, right? So boom. We can just get a nice retest. All right, probably watch it on the 1 hour, perfect. So since this is about to be in conjunction with my indicator down here, this is perfect. Let it pull back, let it go bullish, make sure that we're not going to break the previous high. We shouldn't. We're getting a nice correction. So probably London, New York session, come up, and then you're looking for that sell-off, right? Gold and silver. Gold and silver. And like I said, if you guys make sure you work on, please, please, please work on your risk to reward, understanding how to count pips, understanding percent how much you need to be up, what goals do you have for the week, for the month. That is all important. That's a part of the process. All right, it's part of the process. The dollar, looking for the dollar to break down, because if we get the dollar to break down, we can get some nice buy activity on these majors. So that's another thing to be on the lookout for, guys, for the rest of the week. All right. See, we filled in the gap. Perfect. We broke. Perfect. So now, about to see if we get this rally to the upside. Anytime I'm trading the dollar, I always try to understand what's going on. Every time I'm trading majors, I always try to understand what's going on with the dollar. Right? So right here, this is a good risk to reward, 1 to 3, close to 4. That's good. Always, me personally, I always shoot for more than 1 to 3. Bare minimum. Never 1 to 2, never 1 to 1, 1 to 3. My reward has to be 3 times bigger than what I'm risking. All right. I know we got some odd news. I do like Euro odd as well. I want to point this out. Got a nice breakout. We had a breaker candle right here. Perfect, which is also your change of character. So now I'm just looking for a retest. I would love to see a retest. Pull back, and then a continuation to the upside. Okay, so I didn't want this video to be long. I just want to touch base. We're doing very, very well. Having an awesome week. The JPYs have been wonderful. So if you want to keep trading the JPYs, just look for retests. Like I said, you want to see it. It's breaking down. It's creating new lows. That's what you want to see now. You want to see new lows, new lows, new lows, new lows. So every time it creates a new low, guess what? You just want to see a retest. You want to see a retest. You want to see a retest. And then a continuation now. And then as far as cryptos, they're just pulling back. I don't think this is the beginning of a downtrend. This is just a correction. At the end of the day, the market's the market, guys. You can't expect Bitcoin and all these cryptos to just continue rising up in one straight line. There's gonna be pullbacks. So be prepared for that. I'm looking for Bitcoin right around here between 90 to 86,000. Come back into this demand zone and then continue going up. So this is where you want to buy. This key level right here. This is where you want to buy. Same thing for Ethereum. All cryptos are pulling back. All right, perfect. Let it correct around 31.87, 3,000. That's where you want to look for a buy. Of course, wonderful Cardano. All right, correcting. They're all correcting, which is fine, right? Pulled back to this POI right here. Right? Trust me, we all want crypto to do just straight up, just go straight up. But at the end of the day, you're gonna get those pullbacks. You're gonna get those pullbacks. The pullback's gonna come. You'll know when it's a reversal. Again, kind of like right here. You get your change of character, and then you start getting lower lows. Once that happens on the higher time frame, basically the daily, they'll start off on the 4-hour, then daily. Then you'll know. Then you'll know. Then you'll know. It's like, all right, let me cash out and see how far this pulls back before I jump in. Once you get, see here, getting your higher highs, higher highs, higher highs, higher highs. You got your change of character. That's fine. Right? You got a change of character over here. That's fine. But you didn't get lower lows. This is where you knew you were in trouble. Pull back, and then it created a new low. And now, boom. We're nowhere near that right now. We're nowhere near that right now. All right? We're nowhere near that. If anything, you're just getting a nice correction. That's all. All these cryptos. So as an investor, if you missed this entire bull run, yeah, you can start buying here. All right. Start, especially if you plan on just holding long term. Next time this breaks the high, I could definitely see this going to about $1.50, $2. Eventually getting to that 4. Remember, we're expecting a very bullish 2025. So I'm expecting to break that. And then same thing. No different than any market break. Retest, continuation. Break, retest, continuation. All right. XLM, same thing. Perfect. Pulling back, went all the way up to 63 cents, guys. This to me was like the star of the show, over 500%. It was at 9 cents, under 10 cents, and went all the way to like 64. So like I said, if you don't have a lot of capital, this right here. boom, and then continuation. Okay, but yes. So I'm still bullish on these cryptos. They're just beginning. The uptrend is just beginning. This bull market is just beginning. Don't panic seeing these pullback. It's okay, part of the game. All you got to do is understand where price is pulling back and where to continue investing, or if you're day trading, where to buy. But yeah, I'm going to upload another video probably in a day or so. But yes, so I would focus on gold, silver, and probably EA because there's some odd news, and GA as well. GA got a nice buy setup as well. Just got a nice breakout. Look for another retest and another continuation up. All right. Got that break. Getting a nice pullback. Perfect. And then you're looking for another continuation up. All right, guys. So I'll see you on the next YouTube video. As always, take care, stay blessed. Hit me via email if you want to ask to the private community. The public community Telegram link is in the description box. That will give you access to this, where I'll sporadically do webinars and drop signals and updates on what I'm looking at. But yeah, let's get it. Let's go. Appreciate you guys. I'm out.